All right, boys and girls, welcome to your Chapter 12 mid-chapter check. Hopefully you're watching this video first because there is just some directions I want you to follow through as you go through this. Especially there's one question at the very end you'll need to know about. So watch this video all the way to the end. As you go through this, you only get one try, so make sure you take your time with it. Don't forget that there is also review work and videos that you can watch before taking this. So, if you're anything confused on, go back and watch any of those things. You'll start with your name and then your section, okay? And then hit next. The first section is a vocabulary section. So this is all with, and this is not the right answer. Don't think that's just what the button was on. But read the questions carefully and answer with the answer you think is the best answer for that. All right. The next section is a concepts and skills section, and some of it is about angles, identifying what angle it is. Pay attention to number 5, the arrows point to this angle here. Choose the correct answer for all of those. Number 7 has 3 questions that go with it. So the first one, you have to choose how many sides this polygon has. The second question, how many angles does this polygon have? And finally, what is the name of this polygon? And then number 8, very similar to that with 3 questions. And number 9 as well with 3 questions, very similar. It's all the same shape. You just have to identify the features of it. And the final section is problem solving. And these questions are a little more challenging. You have to read them a little bit carefully and understand what you're being asked. And just a couple of things that you need to pay attention to. Question 11 has a couple different parts, and this is the introduction here for question 11. The sign tells drivers there's a steep hill ahead. Write the number of sides and the number of angles at this in the shape of the sign. Then name the shape. So we're looking at the shape of the sign, not what's inside of this shape, but there's just the sign itself. So that has 3 parts, very similar to 7, 8, and 9. Question 12, give the reason why this closed shape is not a polygon. 13, read it carefully. 14 is the question I want you to pay attention to. It's 1 point, so it's either you get all the points or you get none of or you don't get the point. What I mean by that is it's only 1 point. So if you notice here, you have to choose 2 of these answers. So choose 2. All right, 2 of these answers are correctly describing these types of lines. If you only pick 1, you won't get the point for it. If you only get one of them right, one of the 2 right, you won't get the point. You have to get both of them right. Okay? And so before you go back and before you're ready to submit, make sure you check that one. But check all of them, especially as you have to choose 2. When you're done, hit submit, and you'll be all wrapped up. After you hit submit, it's been recorded. You hit view score, and you can see that I was going through real fast, and I got 19 out of 20. So, but that's where you'll see your score right there. All right. Good luck with your mid-chapter check.